Okay. Want to play with it? Wow! I haven't set up the remote yet, though. What is it, Ben? Is that a fire truck? What does the fire truck say? Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Wow. I think you gotta put batteries in the remote, Ben. Kind of hard to be a push toy. Hey. What is it?
What is it?
Yeah. Wow.
Hey.
Okay. Here, Ben. Can you say thank you?
No.
No? Well, you should say thank you. It's a very nice toy. Can you say thank you?
Oh no.
Oh no, what's the matter? It's not broken. Say thank you. Oopsie. What was that? Did you strip on your car?
No.
Yeah.